Hi, my name is Eddie Jowd. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I use my hands a lot. I don't blink at all.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just getting your camera ready.
This Friday, the 11th of October, is HackConf in Bulgaria, in Sofia. The Dashboard Hub team are really excited to be at HackConf. We will record many conversations with attendees, speakers, sponsors to give you that real authentic feeling of being there. HackConf 2019 is a 3-day event. On the Friday you have workshops, and then on the Saturday and Sunday is the conference. There are 2 parallel tracks, and the ticket prices are really reasonable, with full price tickets of only €40. Having looked at the agenda, we're really excited. We have talks on solid principles, scaling, to debugging people and leadership. HackConf comes highly recommended from Alex, who I met at FOSDEM early this year in Brussels. Sponsors include Experian, to VMware, to Skyscanner, to Stickermule and to Dashboard Hub. I'll put a link below to the highlights from last year's events at HackConf 2018. It looked really great. They're using Attendify at HackConf. It's actually the first time I've used it. It looks really interesting, where you can communicate with other attendees before, during and after the event. Dashboard Hub and me are on Attendify. Why don't you say hello and let me know if you want to come join us and be on one of our vlogs and give yourself a shout out, your open source project a shout out, or just come and ask us a technical question and let us know how your weekend has been going. And don't forget, we're in October, which is Hacktoberfest. I hope you've contributed at least 2 pull requests to Hacktoberfest this year already. I've completed mine already. If you need help completing yours, come and say hi and I'll give you a hand and we'll get you to complete Hacktoberfest while at HackConf. If you want to learn more about open source and enjoy hackathons, conferences and tech events, don't forget to subscribe to my channel below, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. We'll see you at HackConf in a couple of days.